guys, Shushmita here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to create a different eye makeup. It's a foxy eye makeup look. It's basically supposed to make your eyes more elongated, more lifted. It definitely looks something new. I feel like it will look good to many people. For this foxy eye makeup trend, it should look your eyes more lifted as possible. And for this, a ponytail or a bun makes a huge difference because it's pulling your skin back and it gives the slight facelift, and after that you can change the shape of your eyes with makeup. You can see the difference of before and after how it looks when I had my hair down, and after making a tight knot it slightly lifted my face. Rubbing eyes on your skin has several benefits, especially when used as a prep step to applying makeup. Once you are done washing your face with face wash, make sure you gently rub ice cubes on your face. This will improve blood circulation and add a glow to your skin. Moreover, it will also soothe tired eyes and help shrink your pores. Don't apply ice cubes directly on face. Make sure to keep a layer of clothing or a towel between your skin to prevent ice burns. So before starting my eye makeup, I am showing you again how it looks before and after making a tight knot so that you people will understand the difference. Now applying moisturizer on face. Using face primer. The first step is to put it in water and let it absorb water, and after that squeeze it and wrap it in a towel, and again squeeze out the excess water, and now it's ready to be used. That way it does not absorb much foundation, which result in less makeup waste. As I don't have dark spots on face but near my mouth areas it looks slightly dark once I close my mouth, so I am using this corrector to neutralize darkness around my mouth area. Now taking my favorite foundation, putting it on my hand, now applying it on face with fingers and slowly blending it with damp sponge. I am using the spoolie to brush my brow hair upwards and outwards. In this eye makeup, the eyebrows should look more straight, but as I have a prominent arc, so I will have to make it not so prominent. Now, I am going to first begin by using the clear gel mascara to hold the brows. Now, with a brow pencil, I will fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. I will try to keep it as natural as possible. Applying concealer on eyelids, cheekbone, bridge of the nose, cupid bow, chin and forehead. Now using translucent powder to set the concealer so that it does not crease. To make everything easy for this look, I am using some sticky tapes in the corners just as a guide. From this eyeshadow palette, with a blending brush, I am using the red eyeshadow. I am just going to start pushing the color outwards. It is totally dependent on how landy you want your eyes to look. from the same eyeshadow palette, I am taking the same red eyeshadow again and apply it on my eyes. I am not going to extend it to the inner corners. Now with a flat eyeshadow brush, I am trying to blend out the harsh lines. Now let's go ahead and take off the tape. It has taken care of those straight edges and just getting that elongated eye look. Now with a flat eyeshadow brush, taking two different shades of brown eyeshadow and applying it on the outer corners of my lower lid. Applying black eye pencil on my waterline areas as well as on the outer corners of the eyelid. I am going to extend the inner part of my lash line with the eyeliner brush, just pushing the eyeliner outwards very gently, and then I am going to join the tip to my lower lash in the very inner corner. Now from the eyeshadow palette, taking two different shimmery shades and apply it on the lid areas. Next, I am going to use highlighter to highlight my brow bone. I am going to be using a black eye pencil to tightline my upper lash line. It just helps to cover up any skin that is showing in the upper lash line before I use lashes. Now using eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I am concentrating much on applying it in the very outer part of my upper lashes and as well as on my lower lashes. I am pushing it outwards. Next, I am going to cut these lashes into half, and I am just using the inner half of the lash in the outer half of my lash line just to get the lifted and elongated look. Now applying lashes. Next, contouring my cheek, jawline, nose and forehead. Now I am going to be using a matte blusher on face. Next, applying matte bronzer on face. I'm going to be using the highlighter one more time to highlight the highest points of my face. After applying highlighter, I would like to use powder puff to go over it. That way, I feel like it settles into the skin and the glow is coming from within. Now, I am going to line the borders of my lips with a lip liner. Next, using nude lipstick on lips and on the top of it applying a tinted lip gloss. And finally, to lock my makeup, I am using a setting spray, and with a sponge I am trying to set it. And here is the completed look. How much difference it makes just by using this technique. It lifted the face, and after doing the eye makeup, it completely changes the look. It gives the elongated and lifted eyes, and that is the foxy eye makeup look. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.